Welcome to the project demonstration of auto protection of power sharing transformers for different loads. So the main application of this project is when you are applying a load on a specific transformer and substations. If the load get increased, then the transformer may get damaged due to the overload on a single transformer. In order to protect the transformer, we are making use of this technology, that is a load sharing technology. So whenever the load increases the threshold value, that is when the transformer is used to handle around 1 amp of load. When the load is increased than the 1 amp, then our microcontroller will measure the load continuously on this transformer with help of this series resistor, and from there when the load increases the threshold value, then automatically the secondary transformer will be attached to the load using this electromagnetic relay, so that we can share the load between these two transformers to protect the primary transformer. And when it is coming to the normal, again we are going to isolate this secondary transformer, which is used to for the safety purpose, will be isolated from this parallel to this primary transformer. So those two transformers are connected in parallel to share the load. So here we are providing 230 volts AC input to this two transformers, which one is a primary and there is a secondary one, and this one is a regulated power supply board which is used to provide us the 230 volts AC to 5 volts of DC output. So directly we are providing that to the PIC microcontroller, which is continuously monitor the load on the transformer with help of this series resistor. There is a 10 ohm 10 watt resistor, and so when it is connected in series, though we are using the AC like AC transformers, so we need to convert that to the DC, and the DC is directly input to the A0 pin. So the status continuously monitoring on the LCD screen, which was connected at the pin number B2 to B7, and based on the high load, the system will control this electromagnetic relay, which was connected at the pin number C3. And in abnormal cases, when we are switching that, in order to intimate to the users and so-called department persons, we are making use of this buzzer, so which will provide us the audible alert. So for demonstration, we need to use the 12 volt loads, either AC or DC. So 12 volts AC load as of now is not available in general in the market. That's why we are using the DC loads. For that purpose, we are getting the AC input from the two transformers. One is through the relay, another is directly to this one regulated power supply board. So in this one we can see the 4 diodes which are connected in like bridge rectifier manner, so that we are going to convert the AC to pulsating DC, and this filter will remove the pulses and provide us a pure DC voltage, and that is the input to the two loads. One is directly connected to this one, another is based on the switch. We are going to isolate that and connecting that to the transformer section. So let us see the demonstration. So directly when we are on the power supply to this kit, then a welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen. Okay, and as of now everything is normal condition. If you are getting the buzzing sound from the transformers, no need to worry about that. It's due to the humming sound from the primary and between the secondary coils. And when we are connecting the secondary load, then and there only it will measure that, and overload, second transformer is on. So now the load will be shared here. So it will be done, and when the two transformers in normal one connected in parallel, so that is normal load for the two transformers. And when we are isolating this, again the relay gets switched off and will come into the normal section only. Again we can see that. So we can observe the light indication on this electromagnetic relay board. So we use it to connect the phase to the directly at the load section in parallel to this primary transformer. So in this way we can protect the primary transformer by using the load sharing method whenever the high load placed on the primary transformer.